CamPhish is a tool used for phishing attacks. It is important to only use it ethically. This means only using it on systems you own or have permission to test. Unauthorized use of CamPhish is illegal and harmful. This guide will teach you how to use CamPhish on Linux. We will cover installation and basic usage. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only. Always respect the law and the privacy of others. Use your knowledge responsibly. Before we begin, make sure you have these things: a Linux computer. Any modern distribution like Ubuntu or Debian will work. A good internet connection. We will download software and files. Familiarity with the Linux command line. You should know basic commands. Python 3 installed on your system. CamPhish is written in Python. First, we need to update our system. Open your terminal and type sudo apt update, sudo apt upgrade. This ensures we have the latest software. Now let's install git sudo apt install git. Git allows us to download CamPhish from its repository. Section 4: Downloading and installing CamPhish. We will use git to get CamPhish. In your terminal, type git clone https://github.com/techchipnet/camfish.git. This downloads CamPhish to your computer. Now navigate to the CamPhish directory by typing cd CamPhish. We are now ready to install CamPhish's dependencies. Simply run bash setup.sh. This script sets up everything needed to run the tool. Section 5: Running and using CamPhish ethically. To start CamPhish, simply type python 3 camfish.py. This will launch the CamPhish interface. You will see a menu with options. Remember, only use CamPhish on your own systems or with explicit permission. Do not use it to target unsuspecting individuals. Ethical hacking helps improve security. Misusing this tool makes you a criminal, not a hacker. Section 6: Troubleshooting and common issues. Sometimes things can go wrong. Here are some common issues. Installation errors. Ensure you have the correct dependencies. Check the GitHub page for CamPhish for a list. CamPhish not starting. Make sure you're in the correct directory and have executed the setup script. Website templates not loading. Verify your internet connection and try again. If you encounter further issues, consult the CamPhish documentation or online forums for help. Section 7: Conclusion, Ethical Hacking and Learning. We have learned how to install and use CamPhish on Linux. Remember, this knowledge is powerful and must be used responsibly. Ethical hacking plays a crucial role in cybersecurity. By understanding how tools like CamPhish work, we can better defend against real-world attacks. Always prioritize ethical considerations in your hacking endeavors. Use your skills for good, never for harm.